Oh, hello. Welcome to Steampunk Tuesday. I'm Ian and Mike's behind the camera.
I am.
Today I'm going to show you in the workshop. I have my first show in two and a half weeks time, Mike?
At the end of May,
End of May. So the workshop is crammed with stuff that I've built, part finished and completely finished. I've tidied up especially for you, so let's go and have a look in the workshop. I shall surprise you with my enormity. Pardon the expression. Okay, we're in the workshop. I say it's tidy. That half's tidy. This half is definitely not tidy. But I have a lot of lovely new stock in the cupboard. These are the dials that I stock on the website. I've got all new packaging for those. Mike's done me some fantastic top secret little labels to go on them. They start peeling off again. I think it's just because it's not so warm in here.
No, not necessarily.
And this is the side where I started building stuff. So I'll start in, I'll work my way around and explain you what I'm making and my ideas behind it.
Okay.
Okay, so this one I've not finished yet. This is just all put together just as it is with just bits. It's going to... Oops, that wasn't fastened on. It is going to be... It's a fish globe, and there's a Moroccan style light in there. It was in the garden, but the wind whipped them off and ruined them. So
They were a birthday present from Mum, weren't they?
They were lovely.
Unfortunately, the power cells, the photo solar panel, stopped working.
So I've just sprayed it gold, and I'm going to put a candle type lamp inside to give them a Moroccan glow. But it's actually going to be probably going to be a revenant detector or a revenant catcher for ghosts and spirits that will be drawn into the light.
Okay, yes.
And be kept in the machine. Next to that, I have my... I'm not sure what it does yet because I only made them yesterday, but they're absolutely brilliant. I'll show you this later, fully lit, but it will illuminate the whole ceiling. It has a remote control as well, which is even more funky. So you can set it to what colour you want. Or strobe or fade.
I like that blue.
That blue's beautiful, isn't it? If you fade. Or smooth. Smooth's nice.
Yeah, I'm not sure whether you're getting the full kind of smoothness because of the camera refresh rate, but...
Yeah. But yeah.
It's kind of stroby at the moment.
That's flash. That's strobe.
Who's that there?
Oh, that's Hugo. Hugo is going to go on a machine. Let me just turn this off. Hugo is going to go on a machine and have human eyes, but he's going to have... have you ever seen the film Metropolis?
Yes.
The Fritz Lang film. He's going to have rods round his head that light up, stuck out.
Okay.
And he will collect bad fortune.
Lovely.
So these, I have quite a few if you go up there, Mike. These are people who I don't like. Yeah.
Hiding on top of the cupboard. Fantastic.
And move on a bit further. I've started making some smaller devices now. I used to make things that you could wear on your coat. I haven't made any for a while, so I've made these. But you have to be careful with the green light. Remember the octopus I made that was on the wearable? I've made these to wear now. So I'm making all different ones. So we have the wearable there. They're lovely because to change the battery, all you do is lift it up and the battery comes out. Just a 9-volt battery as usual that I use. It's all a bit glitzy as well. We like a bit of glitz. These are not finished yet. They're not connected up, but these are nice with the wings on them. And then I'm working on some new Deathly Hallows. Oops. They're nice because the eyes will actually blink on those.
Okay.
I hadn't stuck that one on. And then there's like a sundial-y type one. That eye will blink in there as well. And of course there's the skull with the eyes. I think you've seen those before. They've been really, really popular. Hence the reason why I've made quite a few. But what I've done as well this time, rather than just using the copper and the brass and the gold paint,
Yeah.
I'm going to use, because some customers like Irene loves purple.
Yeah.
So there's a purple one. I've made gold ones. I've made the blue ones.
Sorry. I should have been pointing down there, shouldn't I?
Yeah, so there's gold, blue, purple, all different colours. And of course there's the light up TARDISes. They've been incredibly popular. I've also got a little bit further along, I have my rather nice...
Oh, the seahorses.
Yeah, they're nice. And they just hang from your belt or from your corset if you're a young lady. Or if you're a gentleman that wants to wear a corset, I've got no problems. Because there's some nice gentleman corset waistcoats out there.
Well, there are. Our
friend Lauren used to sell them. And of course,
before she retired to Spain.
Before she retired to Spain, yes. And then there's the butterfly.
Yeah, I think we've seen those butterflies before, haven't we?
But there's all sorts. There's this one. Move those. These are some more little TARDISes I've got to make. They're great because you've got the valve flashing there. You've got the green light on the reflector, and if I just turn it round, you see there's the tube changing colour at the back, and in the dark. Shall I turn the light on, like, to semi-darkness?
Yeah, why not?
I'll just, give me a second, I'll just click the switch.
Ooh.
Let's see how better that is. You'll get the better effect now with this one.
Well, the camera is kind of trying to compensate, but what we got over there?
That's a strobe.
Oh, yeah.
You see, look at the ceiling.
I can't.
Of course you can't. Sorry, no. It won't allow you, will it? But you see, you're going to get an overall light of different colours. So you can set whatever colour you're in, mood you're in, and away you go. And then I've popped the light back on because it's a little bit on the dark side. The dark side look.
Yes.
So this is a lot of the stuff I'm building for the shows, as I say. I'm cracking on with it all. I've got lots of other ideas that I want to do and build things, but it's just a question of now finishing something and not starting anything else. Because I start one thing and I think, oh, I could do that, and I go off on a tangent and it gets left, and then I forget to make it. Then 2 days before the show, I'm running around like a blue ass fly, as my mum used to say.
You get distracted, don't you?
I get distracted very, very easily, yeah. So, yeah, this is my preparation. This is 2 weeks ago. When I've made some more stuff, you can come back in and we'll show you some other bits and bats that I've made. Plus, I've got an idea to build quite a large machine. So,
Did we show them this?
Yes, we did, I think.
I don't think we did.
You know, I love that. I like this shape, the whole shape that it gives.
And are you going to be continuing doing your little explanation cards?
Yes, I am.
All the bits and pieces that you do.
I am. I think, as far as I remember, this is an ebullient enhancer. Basically,
a what now?
An ebullient. It's a Victorian word for happiness. Happiness and joy. Ebullient. So basically, if you go into a room and everybody's miserable, as a lot of them were in Victorian times, you take your machine, the red light indicates that it's working, the green light means it's pulling all the badness in and all the goodness is coming out. So it's storing it all in there and inside the machine. And it's telling me the outside pressure is correct from the little dial on there as well. So everything's going fine. And that should make the whole room feel a lot better, a lot lighter, and not so Victorian.
Yes, and it looks as though you've got a little TARDIS fan going on there, look.
Oh, I have, yeah. Yeah, there's some little TARDISes. Is it TARDIS-I?
Well, TARDI. Like it.
Ooh. And then I've got a very much larger one here. Somebody gave me this one and I'm going to make it into a device, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet.
Was that got the telephone on the front?
Yes.
Hey. That must be Matt Smith's then.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I've got part of it done. I think I'll probably end up and it'll end up...
Sorry.
You okay there?
Yeah, this is... electronic gimbal thing I've got the phone on is doing its own thing.
Yes, it is. And I'll probably put that on the machine so it spins and has lights around it. So it's horrible underneath.
Yeah.
But yeah, it'll spin on an axis like that.
Oh, and like a little bit of a motor.
Yeah.
A spinny motor.
Spinny motor, yeah. So yes, so that's everything I'm on with at the moment.
And there's a few dead Daleks down there as well, isn't there?
Yeah, that's it's upside down. There's quite a few bits, and people give me things, and I never say no. I mean, look at these little sewing machines.
Oh, that's cute.
Karen gave me those.
Aren't they lovely?
I'm not decided what I'm going to do with them yet, but they're rather sweet. So yeah.
Yes, so still lots to do. The workshop is certainly looking a bit tidier, particularly worktop.
Oh, I know.
Oh, ask what the TP roll's doing there.
It's instead of kitchen roll.
All good stuff.
I found this morning as well.
Don't rub it.
I've rubbed it already and nothing happened. I thought it was silver, but it's actually pewter. It's bending.
Oh, right.
So I can't really use it.
It's quite soft.
It's very, very soft. From Sheffield.
Ah, Sheffield Pewter.
Yes.
Just down the road.
Down the road.
Absolutely.
So, thank you for coming in here today with Mike's new gimbal machine.
That's not working properly. It's
going all over the place.
It is. It's like it's got its own brain, which I suppose it has. Really.
Yeah, it has actually. Yeah. So thanks for coming in today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, click the link at the end of this video to share and
to subscribe. And don't forget to give it
a thumbs up. I apologise for all this. You can't get the staff. I'm blaming lockdown. Bye for now.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.